All right guys, welcome back to the Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
I'm Mike.
And we're continuing the build on the Rebel. So last time we got the front end all put together, we got the cap corners fixed, and a lot of progress. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to work on the frame. But this time we're gonna work on the rear frame. As you guys can see, there's buckles everywhere. So we're gonna replace the rear frame sections with our frame parts frame. The good thing about this one, it's all complete. So we will have all the measurements we need. So all we're gonna do is get the measurements off this thing, just like this, and then transfer it over there. So we're gonna pre-pull this all out. So it's gonna all match up on this one. It's gonna look good, and then we're gonna pretty much cut it where it's spot welded in, or welded in. So we're gonna grind those welds down, take it off, slide the new one in, put the bed on, and we're all done.
Sounds easy, Ivan.
Pretty easy. So I'm gonna work on this, and Michael's gonna work on the airbags. He's got the seat belts he's gotta take out, so let's get to work. All right guys, we got the truck on the frame machine, so let's use the clamps. We'll strap it down. We got the truck clamps, and get ready, get it strapped down and put some chains on it, and we'll be ready to pull. Let's get to it. All right, so here we have it. We got the whole truck strapped down. We already removed most of the parts away, so we can just grab the frame rail and start pulling it. And here's the tow hitch. It's pretty bad. We're gonna need to replace it. All right, let's get to pulling. All right, here we have it. We got the frame pulled out right here. All the marks are dead on. So we're ready to start cutting that out and start cutting this one out. And then we're gonna save the measurement so we can put it back where it belongs. And just like that, not too bad, not bad at all. All right, let's get to grinding. All right guys, so here we have it. We got the parts cut out and it came out pretty nice, pretty easy. Not too bad. Unfortunately, you know, I had to cut them in half, they wouldn't slide out together. But now we're getting this ready. We took all the little pieces, and that's really lucky we got, because we needed the shields, ours were damaged, and we got these for free. So, and we got a free tire. But we're gonna grind these things down and get this thing fitted in that one, just like that.
All right, guys, we got the rest of the parts of the front end from the dealership. I was honestly like shocked how cheap the parts were. I called for this piece right here because I had a little crack in it, and I was like, man, I might as well replace it. And usually these things are like $200, $300 from the dealership. And she told me $1,834, and I was like, what do you mean $1,834? Like $1,800? She's like $18. I was like, seriously, brand new from the dealership, $18.
Hey Michael, don't tell anybody. That's our cost.
That's great. I could just take this, go on eBay, sell it for like $100.
Whoa, 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 Michael. Whoa.
I'm just kidding. But seriously, that's crazy.
Well, how about we sell the old one we have for $18?
There you go. I mean, that's still a deal. $18, brand new for the dealer.
All right. What else did you get, Michael?
Yeah, I got some more front end parts. I mean, there's some little plastic pieces here and there.
So you're gonna fix all those horrible gaps we got on the bumper?
Well, yeah. But we still want.
Read your comments, Michael.
My fog lights. I guess I got both of them. Might as well. You know. Also like $5, $10. It makes no sense. I mean, parts of the Mustang, $100. Easy. For this, it'd be like $70. Ram, $5. That's great. Not complaining. I got that giant rail. I mean, this entire piece right here is $70.
Let's make sure it's both of it, Michael.
There's like 5 pieces in this thing. I mean, I just think it's crazy how it's like a 2019 Rebel, you know, it's like top of the line, and parts are not bad at all.
But it was definitely worth calling the dealer. Right,
Definitely.
Michael?
Sometimes you think, oh, I gotta go aftermarket, you know, Taiwan, whatever, but sometimes it's just good to go OEM.
Wow.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, it's good and clean.
Like I said, look at this, it's intricate. There's definitely a lot of plastic pieces on this truck, but I'm gonna go ahead and get that front end looking good.
Alright guys, check it out. We got it in. Ready to get it welded. So we took the measurements. Measurements line up perfectly. Everything's nice and level. We're good to go. Let's get it welded. All right, so here we have it. We got it all welded in. So now we're ready to put some paint on it. So let's take it apart, whatever's in the way, and then we're going to scuff it, tape it up, and put some paint on it. Let's go. All right guys, check it out. We got it done. We got the frame rails welded in, we got them painted, and we put it back together. So as you can see, it's good to go. Just like that.
Looks good.
Now the next thing would be working on the bed, but we're still waiting for some parts from the dealer for the bed. So, you know, let's keep working. Let's go to it.
All right guys, so I'm inside the Ram. My airbag light is on. But good thing none of my airbags deployed, because I'm pretty sure those would be expensive. But unfortunately my seatbelts are locked up. And I scanned it, and it's saying my seat buckle as well. So I'll have to see what's going on. So either gotta take these seats out or just tilt them back and try to get that seat buckle and the seat belts out. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I got the seat belts out. I honestly didn't even need to move the chairs, take them out, but who knew? It's all good, not a big deal, just 4 bolts. But right now I'm gonna work in the front right now. So we have to paint the hood. So I'm gonna take that off, get it scuffed. These have little scratches on them, so we're gonna take that off, get them scuffed out, make sure they look good, it's gonna look fresh. And honestly, we're thinking about painting the front grille. I think it's gonna look good. Imagine like this is gonna be white, then you get your black, and then your white accent and that together. So I think it's gonna flow. It'll be unique. I think it'll pop.
In the worst case scenario, they're really cheap from the dealer, so.
Yeah, we don't know what to do it too many times, but yeah, I think it's gonna look really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, get it prepped for paint. Let's keep going.
Alright guys, so here we are. We got the hood all scuffed down. Michael did a great job. Get ready for some paint. And then we're gonna paint this little piece. But before we paint it, we gotta put some bumper adhesive. So the paint's gonna stick to it because it's raw plastic. And then we're just gonna blend onto these little panels. So not a lot to paint. So it should take pretty quick. Alright, let's get to work.
Alright guys, check it out. This thing's gonna look great in the truck. For sure it's gonna stand out. Looks like a pair of sunglasses or something from Star Wars. I don't even know.
It looks like a mustache, I don't know.
Mustache?
Upside down.
Yeah, but for sure, I mean, everything else would be like gray and black, so this thing's gonna look good. Turned out great. I'm happy how it didn't clip, because I was gonna start taping it, and then it came right out, so that's great. That was a good one, Ivan, for sure. That would've taken a while. Alright guys, so recap, we got the front end parts basically all good. I ordered the other stuff I need from the dealership. It already came in this morning, so we're good to go. Frame's all done, we're gonna take the truck off the frame machine. There's still some work to do in the back of it, but honestly we're moving forward. A lot of progress, it's looking good. There shouldn't be really anything holding us back now. So once the last piece comes in, we should get that bed done, get this thing on the road. Maybe it's a little too early to get on the road, but yeah, there's a lot of progress. It was a good day for sure. Hood turned out great. Some little side pieces. All we're gonna do now is just transfer over all the other stuff, little plastic molding and everything, off our old hood onto this guy. Looks great. All right, guys. So that's all the time we have for today. Let's go inside and find our giveaway winner. All right, guys. There's a lot of progress. I mean, this Rebel's not really being a Rebel because it's moving right along. I'm just kidding. But seriously, all good. Back end looks really good. I did a good job welding on the frame. Looks pretty straight. I just hope the bed lines up. I think it will. Shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, it's looking good. All right, guys, let's find a winner. 3, 2, 1. All right, USA F74, beautiful Rebel truck. I appreciate it. It really is. I mean, it's brand new. Interior is really nice. Outside looks really good. And I really like how the front grill's gonna be white. I think it's really gonna stand out. Yeah, it's gonna look great.
Maybe we should paint everything, Michael. Everything that's black, white.
I mean, I like the double, you know, it's already got the white and the black two-tone, so it's gonna look really good.
Yeah. So next time, what are we gonna do on this thing?
There's a lot of things, there's still a lot of work on this truck for sure. I wanna, you know, finalize the front end, make sure that's all good. And then we're gonna work on the bed. We got the skin, we got the bed skin, right? And we got the side we gotta do. cab corners. There's definitely a lot of work to do, but you know, that's part of it. We'll get it done for sure. So make sure you stay tuned, turn on that notification bell. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. A lot of builds. We still have a really big project coming up, you guys. It's exciting. We're still, it's cold out there, but we'll get it. So stay tuned until next time.